Hey guys, this is Naman sharing about WordPress and freelancing, and in today's video I am going to share how we can set up a live chat into our WordPress website. So without further ado, let's start this video. So for creating a live chat, we will use Crisp. Crisp is a live chat tool which we can easily integrate with our WordPress website. So first of all, we will create an account on Crisp. For that we will search crisp.chat and then click on Get Started for creating our account. Here we will fill the following fields. First, our name, then our email, and then set a password, and then click on Continue. Next, we will write our company name and our website link. For that, we will open our website and paste link here and click on Continue. Here, we will select the color for our chat box. As we can see, if we click on any color, it will show us the live results. I am good with this one, so let's continue with this. And next, click on Discover My Dashboard. So we created our Crisp account successfully. Now the second step, which is connectivity of Crisp with our WordPress website. For that we will go to our WordPress dashboard and install a plugin named as Crisp. For that we will go to Plugin and Add New and search for Crisp. Here it is. We will install this plugin and then activate. And now click on Install Crisp on my WordPress. Click on Continue. Crisp is successfully connected to our WordPress website. Now if we review our website, we can see the live Crisp chat, and now our visitors can chat with us. So now let's try to do a chat. For that we will go to our Crisp account, and if we click on visitors, it will show us the number of people currently visiting our website. Right now I am on my website, that's why it's showing one online user, one active user now. And now let's do a chat. If I click here, hi, I need help. As we can see, we got a notification, and if we click on Inbox, here it is. We just received a message from our website. By clicking here, we can reply to this chat. And now if we visit our website, our message is received. So in this way, we can activate a live chat into our WordPress website and start communicating with our visitors. Now let's do some customization. We want to set our image here, where we can see right now a random icon. So let's again go to Crisp dashboard, click on Settings and then Account, and here we can upload our image. Once we upload our image, it will automatically save the changes. Now if we refresh our website, we can see our custom image now, and there is no more random icon. So I hope this video helped you in setting up a live chat into your WordPress website, and if you want to see such more videos, feel free to let me know in the comment box, and if you like the video, like and subscribe.